Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to get a free Casetify promo code to save on custom phone cases and accessories. Head over to easycoupon.co/Casetify or scan the QR code on your screen. Once on the site, enter your email address so the promo code can be sent directly to your inbox. I'll enter mine here to show you how quick and simple it is. Next, choose your device, Apple or Android, and click Continue. The site will start generating your Casetify promo code right away. To verify, download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are secure, free, and trusted by millions of users. Once installed, open and use each app for about a minute. Some might prompt you to reach level 9 in a game or fill out a short survey. This confirms you're a real person, so they can send the code. Let's speed up with some background music while I finish the verification. All done. Checking my inbox. And there's my Casetify promo code. If this was helpful, hit subscribe for more savings and enjoy your new custom phone cases from Casetify.